Alright, so in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector. I'll show you the installation process and give my overall review of the screen protector. The installation process is pretty much the same for the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy Note 10. In this video I'm going to be using my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. The screen protector pack is given to me by Whitestone themselves, so thanks for them for that, but it's not a paid promotion. So firstly, cut the glue seal at the top and you'll be presented with the tools that's needed. Inside the box is Whitestone's UV curing machine. It has two legs that extend out and extend in when needed for portability. To use this machine, you'll need to plug in a micro USB cable to a power source like your charger or laptop. By the way, there is a cable provided in the box. And the second part includes everything else. These are the vials that contain that special liquid. They provide two and a third one in case you screw it up on the first try. Here is the plastic guide that you'll need later on. Here's the warranty and other leaflets. And here is the gold, the two glass screen protectors. To start off this installation, make sure you align your phone with the label on the tray. See, it says speaker at the top, so make sure it matches with that. Also, for your top second tray, make sure you match it as well, because that also has speaker on the top right corner. If you place it on the top, it will just snap in. Before doing anything, I'm going to quickly open this pack and get the two absorption pads out and put it in the slots beforehand to make my life easier. Now before starting the installation, I'm going to turn off my phone for minimal disruption. Here comes the satisfying part of peeling my current pre-applied Samsung screen protector. I'm going to drop my phone in there, and remember to position your phone according to the label on the tray. So I'm going to be facing my top speaker on the left hand side. To start off with, I'm going to wipe down my phone with alcohol wipes. And then I'm going to dry it off with the cloth provided. Alright, looks good enough. I'm going to drop the cloth on top so I can avoid dust while I get the other tools ready. Peel this sticker off and place it on the top speaker slit. As you can see, it took me a few tries. I have this issue where I have to get things perfect, else it bothers me. If you don't put this sticker on the top of your speaker, then liquid is able to seep in and possibly damage your speaker, so make sure you place this sticker. This is where your life is easy. Since you already got the pads ready, now you can drop the top plastic tray. I'm going to use the dust sticker to get off any dust I can see. Now shove in this plastic tab in the slot and this bridge in the slots you can see. Now get the good stuff, I mean the liquid. Take the colourful lid off first. In this case mine's purple, but it may be a different colour for you. Insert it in the hole and open the black top lid and let gravity do its magic. Try to get every last liquid, just like when you shake the nozzle at the gas station, to get as much as petrol or diesel you can. Now get the other good stuff, the screen protector, and peel it off. As you can see, there's two dots of liquid near the top of the screen protector. That's probably there for maximum liquid coverage. Place it in there and don't worry about perfecting it like I'm doing. The tray does the guiding for you, so there's no need to mess with it. Also, if you notice that the liquid isn't all in one big circle, then you may have bubbles as an end result. What you want to do is connect every single liquid you can see into one massive liquid and then bring it back to the middle. Get that plastic guide I showed you in the beginning and place it in the notch. On your tool you should have a suction cup at the top, so you can lift it when you're done with it. But I couldn't find my suction cup, so I'm just gonna deal with it. And pull the plastic tab out. This is the most satisfying part. Now you can wait up to a few minutes but my advice is wait till every part of the grey turns into black. But for me, it took about a minute to get the full liquid coverage. Now you should pull the guide with the suction cup provided, get the curing machine and do the top and bottom for 15 seconds once. At this point I'll take my phone out, and as you can see the pads did absorb the liquid. At this point, if you see any liquid seeping through on the side of the phone, get another alcohol wipe and rub down the side. Don't use the cloth like I'm doing, I later realised my mistake. When it's all clean, do the top and bottom for a whole 60 seconds, but this time repeat the process twice instead of once. Personally, I'll do the middle as well, instead of just the top and bottom. Alright, now that you're done with that, you can take the plastic off the speaker slit. Now once again, wipe down with an alcohol wipe and then use the cloth to dry it off. Now you're done! I'm going to start my phone now. As you can see, it's pretty nice looking. The fingerprint scanner is a bit slow when starting it, so I'm going to re-register my fingerprint as advised on the box. Another secret trick I found from Reddit is to go inside biometric settings and click on check added fingerprints and keep placing your thumb for however many times you want. This actually helps your scanner be faster and more reliable since it's getting more data, but for some reason Samsung doesn't mention it. Now you should notice that your fingerprint scanner is a bit more reliable and just slightly faster. And here's what it looks like with my case applied. It fits well and is compatible with the screen protector. There's plenty of gap left, so you can apply an even more bigger case if you want. All in all, it seems like it's the case of you get what you pay for. The screen protector looks premium and blends in with the phone. Most of the time you can barely tell there's a screen protector on your phone. Surprisingly, I didn't get any dust under the screen protector like I usually do, so that's a big bonus for me. One gripe I have about this is that the screen protector has a U-shaped cutout near the camera instead of the normal O shape. I don't know about you, but I would have preferred the O shape cutout. On the box it does advertise high transparency with not coloured edges or dot matrix, which is fair enough. The screen visibility is unchanged and the viewing angles are still great with the screen protector. The display is still bright and detailed. On the side of the box it does mention that it is anti-fingerprint coating, but I wouldn't recommend you to go eat McDonald's and then touch your phone. It will obviously smudge. The screen protector does slightly add a bit of weight, but not too much to it. So wrapping up this review, I've had this screen protector for about almost 2 weeks now and I still haven't found any downsides. All in all, I'm quite satisfied with it. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, whether it's about the screen protector or anything else. I'll try to respond as soon as possible, and that's all for today. Bye.